A couple weeks ago, GoHighLevel released a brand new feature called AskAI, which is completely changing the way that people are using the platform because it's an AI feature that can actually perform tasks and not just tell you what to do. And it's replacing like 90% of all the manual work that we are used to doing. So in this video, I'm going to give you a good overview of what are all of the different things that you could be utilizing this tool for and how it's actually going to make your business way more efficient, pretty much no matter what kind of business you run, whether it's an agency, local business, or an info product business. So let's jump right into it. These are the core capabilities that AskAI can actually help you with and perform tasks if you ask it to and prompt it to. First, we have contacts and CRM. So you can actually create, update, delete contacts, manage tags, and even workflows just from AskAI. So for example, if you had to, bulk upload a bunch of different contacts and change the tags and organize them and so on, that used to take quite a lot of time and effort, right? You would have to manually do that. Now you can just ask AskAI to do it and it's going to perform that action for you, saving you hours upon hours over time. Then you have calendar management as well. So you could set up an entire calendar with just a single prompt or even create events for that calendar. It can also handle communication. So you can actually send messages and you can also handle emails automatically with it. So if you wanted it to follow up with a bunch of leads who kind of left you on red in the past, it can actually send out follow-up messages for all of those people, or you can even handle an outreach campaign from it, which is absolutely mind-blowing. It can also do pipeline management, so you can create opportunities, track deals, and manage stages as well with AskAI. In the payment section, you can create invoices and new products with it with just a prompt. In the marketing area, you can actually plan social media content and even generate it, and then have the AI automatically schedule it for the accounts for you. It can even create blogs and funnels or a website for you. Or in the automation category, it can build AI agents and build workflows. So before we would go into these functionalities even deeper and show you a couple of real life examples of how this could be used, let's talk about who this is exactly for. So first of all, it's for agency owners. With this new feature, you are essentially becoming an AI manager instead of, working for your clients. You are essentially just handling what the AI does, giving it the right instructions and prompts, and letting the AI do the work for you on your behalf, right? Of course, you still want to oversee the technology and make sure it doesn't do anything horrible for your clients, but I think it's really signaling a shift in terms of how we are going to work in the future, whether it's for our own business or for clients. Now, for small business owners, it's going to handle the CRM for you without you having to learn all of GHL's features. So, of course, you already had amazing support with GoHighLevel. You could jump on a Zoom call with them at any time, or open chat support, or use their AI support, but this is taking it to a whole new level. If you're a small business owner, you aren't really going to be reliant necessarily on using an agency. Now, I'm not saying agencies are going to go extinct or freelancers are going to go extinct by any chance, but it's going to make it also a lot easier for small business owners to handle their own operations because they no longer have to know all of the small technical details. The AI can just do whatever they tell them to do. Now, for beginners, this is also giving you an unfair advantage. Just a couple of years ago, you would have had to spend, months and months learning all of GoHighLevel's features to be able to properly use it. And now with AskAI, that learning curve is going to be very, very shortened. So to actually get started with this, all you need is an active GoHighLevel subscription, which you can sign up for an extended 30-day trial in the description down below, and also unlock a bunch of amazing bonuses from me. And then simply go to settings, then labs, then go to AskAI and toggle it on for the sub account. What I would recommend you to do is to actually start playing around with it by first just asking AskAI to do something simple like uploading a contact list and then putting it into your opportunities pipelines, right? And just doing something basic. Then move on to something more complex like actually creating a brand new pipeline. And then you can advance into more complex automations or even setting up a whole new website or funnel with this technology. Now, in terms of the actual impact that this is going to have for you, well, first of all, you have the cost versus return, right? You just pay $97 a month for GoHighLevel, or $297 or $497 for one of the bigger plans if you are using it for clients as well, or you're white labeling it. But you know, if you just want to try it out, you even have the trial that you can take advantage of. And then you are, number one, if you are using it for your own business, you're going to be able to save literally tens of hours, which could mean thousands of dollars in savings in labor costs. Or you can also just go ahead and start selling this to other business owners and charge literally, you know, $500, $1,000, $1,500 a month for it. And it's still a no-brainer because of how much time and effort you are able to save the business. The tasks which used to take hours are now going to take just a couple of seconds. And by no means is this feature absolutely perfect for now, but this is also the worst that it's ever going to be, because with every single month there are going to be new improvements and updates rolled out, and it will just get better and better over time. And what I think is also going to happen, and I've heard this opinion from other GoHighLevel experts as well, is that they are also going to roll out in a few months maybe recurring tasks. So the AI will be able to, for example, scout your opportunities in your CRM every single morning, see which leads haven't responded or haven't moved to the next stage in a couple of days, and automatically follow up with them and automatically work all of the leads, do the appointment setting for you. And you know, it's just going to be like an actually super useful employee in the business, and actually do probably a much better job than most appointment setters or marketers even. So just to give you even more insight on what this is actually capable of doing, I actually asked AI to show all of the different things that it can do that it has the access to as well. So here are all of the tasks, right? We have content creation, so it can create, edit, and schedule blog posts. It can generate a newsletter or email campaigns. It can produce social media content, whether it's text, images, or videos, organize and manage content calendars, and all of these other things as well right here. In the CRM management category, it can add, edit, or delete contacts, segment and tag audiences, set follow-up reminders and tasks, automate contact workflows, and so much more. In the support area, it can manage and assign support tickets, respond to customer inquiries via email or chat, escalate and resolve issues. So literally like do what a full-time support person would do. It can also do community management, so moderate your forums or groups. If you are an info product creator, you know, it basically can act as a client success manager or a community success manager, which is amazing. It can do funnel management, so basically build and edit sales funnels, set up automation rules and triggers, track funnel performance metrics, A/B test funnel steps, so much stuff, right? Contacts as well. It can view individual contact profiles, analyze engagement history. It can even help you with setting up domains, connect and verify custom domains, which is usually such a pain in the ass to do anyways. So especially if you're a beginner and you don't have experience with that, you know, this is going to be a huge help. It can do image generation. It can report to you as well. And just in general, do a bunch of other things as well, like manage user accounts and permissions, update profile and security settings, and so much more, as you can see right here. So to conclude my thoughts on this, I also wanted to give you a couple of actual examples of how I used AskAI already in my business. So I was able to actually send follow-up emails to customers with just the chat box. So I literally just typed in like, hey, follow up with all of these leads, and it automatically sent out an email that was customized, you know, on my behalf, which is amazing. It saved me like hours there. I also used it with importing a bunch of contacts and then actually tagging those and, you know, just like organizing everything, adding it into my CRM as well, which was, again, amazing, saving me tens of minutes in just a couple of seconds. And I even had it actually create a complete funnel for me. And what I really liked about it, although the funnel didn't come out perfect just yet, like I think it still has some, way to go, but it was asking me questions as I prompted it for this task and really trying to understand what I'm trying to build with this funnel. Who is the target audience? How do I want it to be structured? What am I optimizing this funnel for, right? So it's really like thinking like a marketer as well. I mean, I know AI doesn't like think like a human being, but it still was super helpful. And I think, again, it's going to be absolutely incredible in just a few months. I also had it actually create and schedule social media posts. I tested it out for that as well, and it was able to execute that. So again, I just see that this is the direction where online business is going. At the end of the day, we are not going to be spending, hours upon hours slaving away at these manual tasks in the future. Instead, the people who are going to be really winning and crushing it are those who can learn this technology early on, right? And be able to implement it for their business and their clients' businesses as well, saving tens of hours of human time, which is at the end of the day, the most precious resource we have. And just, the productivity is just going to absolutely skyrocket. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There is also some amazing other creators on YouTube who have covered this and shown other examples. So I would suggest all of you guys to check those out as well. If you haven't signed up for GoHighLevel yet, if you haven't tried it out yet, make sure to start your trial in the description down below so you can try this as well. And I will see you guys in the next one.